want to start off the video by saying, hey, I don't know which language I should choose, so I'm going to go with English. And for those that are watching from Turkey, my usual people, I'm going to be putting Turkish subtitles for y'all.
Yeah, just put something.
So it's all good. Which way should we go?
No, I mean, anyway's fine, but...
Because I can't see inside properly. It looks like... Oh, okay. I'm going to skip that.
What?
I thought this was like a normal floor because of the reflection, and I thought there were pipes there. And then I looked inside and it turned out to be like the playground area for the bottom part.
Oh.
YouTube, no one was in that place. There's no kids in there. This place is whole abandoned, just to give heads up.
It's like...
Please don't get angry with me.
95% abandoned.
Yeah.
Well, here, let me see the camera, if you don't mind. Oh, wait, you can't see it from here. Never mind.
What?
I was gonna say the Kohl's is open.
The Kohl's is open? Yeah, that's
look
true.
down there. There's not really a good angle for it.
Yeah.
There's like a military or like police recruiting center downstairs.
Oh yeah, I remember that. A big shout out to Arda. You might remember this place when it was a little bit more night, around like, what, 8 months ago? 6 months ago? I don't know. Hey, is that actually a roller coaster? Implying that this place would have roller coasters or something?
What are you talking about?
Picture.
No, I think it's just a fun photo to have in a fun colored place.
Yeah? I would literally think that there's a roller coaster because of that.
Not, you're not gonna like some of these ceiling decorations coming up then.
Oh god, yeah.
Somebody, wow, there's so much trash.
Yeah, that is.
Chocolate milk. How do you gotta like have Kobe skills for that.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait a second. What? Hee haw balls. Okay. I mean, it's cute, but I don't know what it is. And they got really stiff lips. There's a lot of pee-pees drawn everywhere.
Yeah, that's
Love that.
that's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen.
Ooh, what a pleasant noise. I wonder if that is.
Just us getting closer to the final boss.
Ooh, show them the map.
Oh yeah.
You want to look in there too?
I've never went there, by the way. Is that like a garage? They actually have chairs.
Does the elevator still work? I don't want to go in it.
We can give it a shot.
Ew. You ever just look at something and go, mm-mm.
What is that?
Nope, doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Okay. Nice. So this is the garage.
Yeah, parking garage.
This area is closed.
Someone got their coffee. Oh my god, what's wrong, people? Oh, it used to be automatic.
Yeah.
This area's closed. Oh yeah? I mean, you won't try it, but I
No,
miss you.
I'm not. I don't trust my skills.
Yeah, with the parking garage that big, this place probably was popping.
Yeah. Do we actually know the main reason why this place closed?
Huh?
Do we actually know the main reason why this place closed?
If you told me what year, I could probably tell you why.
Economy.
I'm assuming it was has something to do with the economic.
Yeah. Such a shame. This literally reminds me of my 90s.
Yeah, I think that's the point. Piggies.
Flying piggies.
More people.
Oh yeah. Imagine being a flower in this place.
The plastic.
The plastic, big, thick flowers. Wow.
Gritty. I think when it's nighttime, there's a lot of lights over there.
Yep.
Most of these don't actually function.
We were coming from the A neighborhood. There's a B neighborhood right across. That I could just say it right over my thumb or finger right there. And there's a C neighborhood to the left.
There's like a fashion district. I think C is the fashion district.
There's people walk. Yeah, people walk into the B side as well. So I don't know. B is like the food place, I think, right?
No, because food place is over here. That's where the food court is. It's next to the arcade.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So I think it would be B B B B.
Can't believe I forgot to take my SD card. There's only like 10 minutes left.
I think most of the malls in our area are probably going to end up like this, if not torn down immediately.
That's sad.
Because like, Fairfield Commons isn't really that bumping anymore. Everyone just shops online.
Yeah,
And also Corona, but I mean, even before that.
I mean, buying online is the new generation style, definitely. Village community room. Anything to the left? Not that I see. But imagine putting so much effort into the design and the architecture and everything else that literally shows culture inside this place. And then just, oh no.
That probably does kind of place, but yeah.
Yeah. Hey, do you hear that?
I didn't hear anything. Yeah, it's probably when it's walking. This place is so old.
Oh my god.
Actually, I wouldn't say so old, but it's pretty old.
I literally heard something that like it was shaking around.
I think that's fun.
Hello boys, ghosts, it's your boy, Dennis.
Ooh,
Uh-huh.
can you zoom in with that thing? There's like an exit. Oh, it looks so creepy. Ugh. Oh, there's bubblegum wrappers everywhere. Wow. Love that aesthetic. It's my room.
Wow. Yeah.
Hee Do you want to show how disgusting the bathrooms are?
Oh my god, I don't think we're ready for that. I really do not think we're ready for that. Stay out the left side though.
I wish they like left the signs on so we knew what stores do what.
Yeah, that would have been sweet. I mean, there are some like Beauty Express.
It's a very sad. Actually, no, you're right. Never mind. I don't know what to say. I guess this used to be like a, well, I'm taking a guess. This used to be a
This
restaurant.
area over here? Yeah.
No public access.
I have to admit, it smells good though.
Oh, I can't tell.
Smells something.
I smell my mask.
Yeah, I'm actually wearing a mask and I can smell something.
Oh yeah, there's a bar. Wow, this would have been pop. Oh, God, I almost tripped. Watch where you're going.
Hello, I'd like a number 2, please.
I feel like this is probably, I don't think it's like ethnic food. I'm sure it's like steak and mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we have at least one store in business. Imagine driving all the way out here. Well, we drive like what, 40 minutes?
Yeah. For,
Speeding. Oh my gosh, they have no space 25% off with steel.
have to admit, this looks sweet though.
Yeah, that's really cool. Also, this store, I don't think it's been around that long, so now I'm starting to think that this mall didn't start to be abandoned, but like, I'm sure it's been less than 6 years.
Maybe, just maybe, the store bought that space after the mall went down? Or before?
I'm sure it's pretty pricey. Actually, yeah, I don't really know.
For the greater cure. Greater Cincinnati. What?
Huh?
For the greater cure in Cincinnati, yeah.
I'm sure it's either an advertisement or like a clinic.
Yeah, I guess so. The restrooms. Do I really want to be that person?
You don't have to.
What?
You don't have to. It smells pretty bad, but you have your mask on, so.
Do I really want to though? Upper level.
Stay quiet. Oh, I love that echo.
Scared the shit out of me, kind of, to be honest.
What do you say to me?
I feel good. Na 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 na.
The security guard's gonna come up around the, what do they call the Segway?
Yeah. Oh, look at that segues.
No, domestic. Actually, I don't think it'd be considered domestic if it's not home, but.
Alright.
We need to go that way.
So shall we go?
Yes, because we visit A&D.
Yeah.
Spencer's. I think you'll put their Twitch names at that point.
Yeah, I was going to think about it. Just be like, shout out to these people.
At Edinards, follow my Twitter, please.
Please do, by the way.
Info. Oh boy. Oh hey, the elevator works.
Wait, does it?
Yeah, it just went up. That's what that noise is.
I see. Movie seemed a nice time to go for it, though. Yeah.
Assuming you have time left.
Yeah, we have another 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Literally 2 minutes, by the way.
This area is closed.
Info. Showcases for 10. On number 1. Actually, number 10. Number 9.
Oh my god, my favorite movie? Oh, this one. So good.
Ah,
Masterpiece.
it is.
Deserved an Oscar. It's like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Ew, this is gross.
Yeah, it is.
You can tell where they like sold popcorn and stuff.
Yeah. I don't know what that noise is, though.
It's gonna blow.
Oh, because I think it's actually a little bit more of a open. And back to our movies. Number 5, number 4, number 3. Number 2 with its elegant design,
Is it just me or is it kind of hot?
and number 1. It is.
It's kind of hot up here.
It is.
I feel like icky.
Well, we only have 40 seconds left.
ATM. Well, that sounds kind of good. Too bad they're out of business.
Yeah.